Hello everyone, how to Tuts back with another new video, and in this video I will guide you how to deactivate your Instagram account from PC. So you can go any browser. I'm using Google Chrome, then search instagram.com. You can see the URL here. Then you will get the interface like this. Then what you need to do, you need to click here more. Then you'll see the settings option, the top one. Simply click here, and then on the left hand side under the settings option you can see personal details. Simply click here. Once you click here, then account settings, and the second option personal details, again click here. Then you can see account ownership and control. Click here, and deactivation or deletion, click again, and click on your profile. Then you will see two options here: deactivate your account and delete your account. If you wanna delete your account permanently, then you can select this one, or if you wanna deactivate your account is temporary, disable it, temporary hide from the people, then you can choose this one and continue. Then you have to put your password here, then continue, then your account will be deactivated successfully. So okay friend, today is no more, and thank you for watching. See you in the next video.